To enable or disable Circle to Search in Honor X7D, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to find the system and updates, and then we can navigate to our system navigation. Here, find Circle to Search, which should be on the bottom. You can enable or disable it with this switch, and to use it, you need to click and hold the home button on your screen, and here's a Circle to Search. To use it, you can also click on the Google to start search. You can use text to speech, you can detect music, and you can also translate everything on the screen to a specific language. Next thing that you can do here is select a specific thing on your screen. For example, if you see an image, you can click on a plant on that image, and then it will perform a Google search using that specific place that you've clicked on. You can also share it with somebody else, like a screenshot. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.